Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Hitotoki. Today I'll continue to explore the role of legal professionals in Japan. To viewers from all over Japan and the world, I hope this video expands your knowledge or serves as a source of motivation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hiroyuki Tanaka, an administrative scrivener and maritime agent active in Ichinomiya City, Aichi Prefecture, Japan. Legal professionals are often labeled as stiff, but I aspire to be more approachable and casual. In this era of intersecting Japanese tradition and innovation, my mission as a legal professional is to continue providing new values. Today's video theme is the necessity of legal professionals utilizing technology. In particular, I want to share with you the importance of disseminating information using automatic translation AI tools. In this evolving era, technology is our strongest ally. Let's dive into our first topic, the power of Quartet. Japan has a system called separation of powers. This system is designed to maintain the country's peace and order by ensuring a balanced functioning of legislative, executive, and judicial powers. Let's analyze this system from various angles. We'll explore this using the golden circle method, centered around why, how, what. Why is the separation of powers necessary? To prevent the concentration of power and maintain a fair and democratic society. History has shown that when power is concentrated in one entity, it tends to be abused, infringing on people's freedoms and rights. The separation of powers was conceived to mitigate such risks. How does the separation of powers work? The nation's power is divided into legislative, executive, and judicial branches, each functioning independently. They monitor each other and work in balance. For example, if the government, executive power, advances an unfair policy, the parliament, legislative power, can stop it, or the courts, judicial power, can question its constitutionality. What does the separation of powers specifically do? Legislative power creates or amends laws. Executive power manages the country based on laws and implements policies. Judicial power judges the correctness of law application and resolves disputes. The separation of powers is not just about dividing power. It's about why it's necessary to protect democracy, how it functions, monitoring each other and maintaining balance, and what it specifically does, the activities of legislative, executive, and judicial powers. This system plays a vital role in maintaining a fair and peaceful society. Now a question, who or what is at the heart of this system? The answer is straightforward, the citizens. All institutions are key to the citizens. For example, if judicial decisions seem wrong, citizens can dismiss judges. If the administration seems faulty, they can vote to strip someone of their parliamentary position. Even the cabinet, an executive body, is largely composed of parliament members. Why then do citizens not fully utilize or recognize their power? The simple answer is unity. Look around. Voting, elections are the only means given to citizens to adjust the country's balance and hope, yet many do not vote or show interest in elections. The cause, I believe, is peace, which has diluted these interests. However, this does not mean we should resort to war. How can citizens wielding the power to adjust this balance function properly? I believe the presence of a conductor is crucial. Japan currently has citizens, each playing their voice, opinions, and claims. This drowns out others, preventing significant action. Thus, a conductor to adjust these voices is necessary. I consider influencers to be such conductors. Influencers have a knack for uniting people's voices, which can create significant movements and, I believe, normalize the functioning of Japan's separation of powers. Therefore, I continue to speak out, aiming to be that influencer. Next, let's explore Japan's legal professionals, the specialists. Why discuss this topic? As mentioned in a previous video, Japan doesn't often use the term legal professional or specialist. This is because the term encompasses various professionals known by their specific titles. I see this as an issue. While accountants and lawyers are necessary, the current system operates in silos. Handle it amongst yourselves. If we have legal troubles, provide a single point of contact and guide us appropriately. This is my stance and the abstract answer to this issue. In other words, a group of specialists who can quickly coordinate and support one another is needed going forward. While I don't have a concrete answer yet, but I promise to suggest some solutions in the future. Current situation. Let me introduce the social roles of these specialists. Japan has various types of legal professionals: lawyers, tax accountants, judicial scriveners, certified public accountants, administrative scriveners, maritime agents, patent attorneys, and land and house surveyors, each supporting the citizens in their fields. These professionals navigate the complex legal labyrinth, protecting and supporting our lives. In Japan, these professions are essential to the societal foundation and our daily lives. We'll delve deeper into each specialist's contributions and specific tasks. Welcome to the world of specialists, where everyday superheroes support your life, always by your side. Let's humorously introduce their skills and uniforms. Qualifications. 1. Lawyer. The knight of the legal realm. If they find someone in trouble in a dark alley, they'll flip their suit and fight for justice. Their weapons are legal knowledge and persuasive words. If you're lost in the legal maze, they'll light the way. 2. Tax accountant. The magician of numbers. They unravel complex tax spells to protect your wallet. Wielding calculators, they battle tax monsters. If taxes are giving you a headache, let their magic solve it. 3. Judicial scrivener. The navigator of real estate. When buying land or a house, they guide you with maps and compasses. If you're about to be stranded in a sea of contracts, they'll rescue you with their lifeboat. 4. Certified public accountant. The health doctor of companies. They conduct financial health checks to ensure businesses are in good shape. If a company catches a financial cold, they'll prescribe advice. 5. Administrative scrivener. The supporter of everyday life. When you need various permits and documents, they stand by you to smooth the process. If you want to be freed from cumbersome government procedures, seek their help. 6. Maritime agent. The legal professional of the seas, specializing in maritime law issues, they ensure your voyage is safe. Before setting sail, have them check the ship's safety. 7. Patent attorney. The guardian of intellectual property. They shield your ideas and inventions with patents and trademarks. If you want to protect your creativity from thieves, copycats, consult them. 8. Land and house surveyor. The explorer of land and buildings. They create accurate maps to clarify where your real estate is and its shape. When seeking real estate treasures, their expertise is indispensable. Through this video, I hope you gain a deeper understanding of how legal professionals contribute to society and their importance. More than anything, I wish this information serves as practical knowledge for your everyday life and business. The law is meant to shape and protect our lives. However, to properly utilize it and protect our rights, we often need the help of specialists. We, as legal professionals, are here to bridge that gap, listening to each individual's voice and offering optimal solutions. How much did you know about the various specialists introduced so far? Some of you may have learned for the first time through this video that such professionals are necessary to solve everyday problems. Others may have discovered something new. Japan's legal system is complex, and it may be challenging for individuals to understand it fully. However, with the right knowledge and specialist support, overcoming this complexity and leading a better social life is possible. As legal professionals, we must continue learning and adapt to changes. Our mission is to support each of you in living a safe and comfortable life. On the Hitotoki channel, we will continue to provide useful information about the law. Whether you're interested in the law, want to protect your rights, or are simply curious to learn new things, we aim to deliver valuable content. Finally, the world of law may seem daunting, but remember, each aspect directly supports our lives. If you have any problems or questions, don't hesitate to consult a specialist. It could be the first step in overcoming difficulties in your daily life or business. May each moment of your life, your Hitotoki, be fulfilling and happy. We hope this channel contributes to that. Let's meet again in the next video. Thank you.